Yo, what's up, gay boys and gay men, bro? So today we're gonna be making what's it called again? Box ESP. Okay, so let's fucking get into it. Okay, cool. First thing we're gonna do is define the players. So we're gonna do game get service players. Then we're gonna do fuck. What else do I need? Fuck. I need to get the camera. So workspace, current camera. I also need the run service. So let me just put it up here. Make it more clean. Take a service run service. Cool. So I got my camera. I need to find cache. It's where the ESP data is gonna be stored, bro. It's gonna be stored in that table. I need to get my local player. So local play equals players. My local player. Cool. Then I'm gonna find some helper functions. So we're gonna find a function called create drawing, taking two parameters, name and the properties of the drawing object. I'm gonna do that, and then local drawing equals to drawing the new name. Passing the name there. I'm gonna do for IV index properties. Yeah, property is gonna be a table of all the properties of the drawing object. So we're gonna iterate through it. So for IV index properties do drawing I equals V, and then we're gonna turn drawing. So this function is basically gonna allow us to create ESP for the players. I'm gonna do local function. What should I name this? Add drawing. And then I'm gonna pass the player is gonna be a parameter. Now I'm gonna check if the player already has a drawing. So if cache player, then return end. So if the player already is in the cache table, that means they already have ESP, so we're not gonna give them ESP. So we're gonna say fuck you, no. Break out the function, do nothing. So if cache player then return end, okay, cool. Then we're gonna do cache player equals box outline is going to be a table. No, it's gonna be this create drawing square. Then the second parameter is gonna be a table of the properties. So what the fuck? Thickness, I think, is one property. So thickness equals 2, and field equals false, I guess. Color is gonna be black. 0, 0. That should be good enough, I think. And then box is gonna be equal to create drawing square. And we're just gonna fucking skip this shit, copy and paste it. Wait, next function, guys. Next function, remove drawing. Player. So we'll function remove drawing, and we'll do the opposite. So if they are in the cache table, then we're gonna be like, yo, remove this fucking ESP, bro. We don't want you to have ESP anymore. So we're gonna do cache player dot box outline. Call the remove method of the drawing. So remove that shit. Fuck that shit. Then we're gonna do cache player box. Remove that shit too, cause like fuck you. And then we're gonna do cache player. Fuck, can I spell? Equals nil. So yeah. So cache player. We're just gonna say like fuck the player. Yeah, remove it out of the cache table. That's basically what we're doing. Then we're gonna do for IV index players. Get players. This returns the table of all the players in the game. All the players. So if V is not equal to our local player, because we don't want to give ESP to ourselves, then we're going to do add drawing to all the other players. Cool. Bro, can my mouse stop fucking? Oh my days. My screen just went black. Okay, cool. So then we're gonna connect these functions to these events. So we're gonna do player added, connect, and then we're just gonna pass in this function add drawing. And then we're gonna do whenever a player leaves, we're just gonna remove the fucking drawing because like we don't want them to have ESP anymore. So remove drawing. Then what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, then we need to do run service. The run service loop. So we're gonna do run service or render steps. Connect function and if oh wait no, then we need to iterate through the cache table. So yv next cache to local player is equal to I think. And then yeah, should be the index. Okay, and then local box outline is gonna be equal to v dot box outline. Local box is a v dot box, no box like that. So if player, then well if player dot character actually. So if they have a character, then local char equals to player dot character. And if that character child humanoid root parts. So if they have a humanoid root part, then we're gonna do local roots is gonna be the child dot humanoid root part. Cool. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are going to use the water viewport point function to convert a 3D vector into like basically a 2D vector, essentially. So we're gonna do local root. No. We're gonna do local. Actually, wait. No, we're gonna get the top of the roots. We're gonna get the top of the root and the bottom because we want to get the heights. We want to get the height of the player essentially. Actually, no. Fuck. What am I doing? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do camera. No. Okay. No. Top on screen. Yep. So top on screen is gonna be this camera. Also view. Also view what points. Then we're gonna do root dot position plus vector 3.new. 0 3 0 because three studs away from the root from the center of the root is like the top of the player basically. Then I'm gonna get the bottom, so local bottom on screen. Actually no, fuck that. Here's camera, water viewport point, root dot position, plus vector 3.new. No, yeah, plus vector 3.new 0 minus 3 0. So I'm gonna get the bottom. And then the height is just gonna be top minus bottom. So local height is gonna be the top dot y minus bottom dot y. And then we're gonna do width is gonna be equal to height divided by 1.2, which gives this was divided by 1.2 because it gives like a good aspect ratio, I guess, like a good ratio of height to width. Cool. I think that's good. I just want to make another one. On the screen. So camera, water viewport point, root no position. So if on screen, then so then on our screen, then we're gonna start doing some math, some more math. It's not that hard math, but it's maths. And maths is just fucking annoying. So fuck. What do I do? Box outline dot size is gonna be equal to vector 2 start new, width, height, and then box outline, the position is gonna be the vector 3, no, vector 2 don't need, sorry, vector 2 don't need. Hmm. What do I do? So, how do I do the math again? I've kind of forgotten how to do it. Just give me like 5 seconds. Let me think. Um, I think top x minus box outline dot size of x divided by 1 point divided by 2, so it centers it. And then it's gonna be top dot y minus box outline dot size dot y. 1.2, so it's only slightly above the head of the player. So then, box dot size equals box outline dot size, and then box dot position is equal to box outline dot position, and then box dot visible is gonna be, no, box out, and make sure the outline is set. Oh wait, fuck, thickness, this should be 1 actually. Box outline dot size, no, box outline dot visible is gonna be equal to true. You know what? It's gonna be equal to on screen. Visible equals to on screen. Let me just do it outside. Alright, yeah. And then false. So if that bitch doesn't have a fucking root part, then just set the box's visibility to false, so it's not visible. So if they don't have a character, then it's gonna be not visible. Okay, okay, cool. This should work. Ooh. It needs to be a bit down. It's a bit too high up. I think that's because I took the top's X and not the actual head of the player. Alright, we're just gonna rejoin real quick. Okay, so we're gonna do some fixing. So we're gonna do top of Y minus 1 minus 2, and also the color. This is meant to be white. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Still high up. Okay, to just fix that, what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna do and child head. So local head is gonna be child head, and then we're gonna do, instead of using the tops X and Y positions, we're gonna use the head. So we're gonna do the head. We're gonna convert the head. We're gonna do local head pause, and then we're gonna just do underscore camera water viewport point and dot position. I'm gonna do head pause dot X minus. No, headbox.x here and headbox.y there, and then it should work. Good. Let me should rejoin again. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, guys, that's fucking Box ESP right there. I probably need to change the thickness because it's kind of like overlapping the outlines in the actual box. Yeah, that's Box ESP. So here's the script from the start for you fucking skids. I'll probably make a tutorial for what's it called? What do you call that shit again? Fuck. Health bar ESP as well. So like goes next to the box. So yeah, 93 lines, not that bad. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the script. Enjoy. Yep.